Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here for DeLonghi Magnifica. This machine was brought in because a customer reported no coffee was being dispensed and the machine had been sitting in storage for about 3 years. So we found that they needed a new pump, needed a tune-up, good cleaning, and there was a leak coming off of the steam boiler. And so we actually had to replace one of the hose connections there. And here it is, working once again, so we're gonna test it out. All right, now do some hot water. All right, see if that's working. Now we'll do some steam. Put the steam tip on off here. There we go. All right. All the functions working. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.